Hello, my wonderful people. We are back again today, and yeah, it's time to give another strategy. And this, I was inspired by somebody whom I really appreciate in this life of trading. And so today I wanted to give something that has been so dear to me, and it is the use of Ichimoku to try and catch spikes or trade the trend. Okay, so sometimes, sorry, I just have now to put the, I have to put, I have to put on and be able to concentrate. So the Ichimoku is one thing that can be very beneficial if you know how to use it. Okay, if you know how to use it. So, and my all-time indicator, is a TDI. So I always combine a different strategy with TDI. So this one, it's going to be a short one, as short and as simple as it is. So on the main chart, let me change the colors because it will be much easier. So the brown one is the up, the purple one is down. So these are the indicators. The brown one is the up, and I love up being green, and then the purple one is the down, which is red. So when it is set like that, it will help to identify it faster. Yeah, that is even much better. So how do we use this strategy? So the Ichimoku setting is the default, yes, 92652. Okay, and then the other Ichimoku window is here. I've placed Ichimoku on a stochastic oscillator window. So you add stochastic oscillator, set it to 1, period 1, K period 1, D period 1, slowing 1, price field low, high, method simple. Put the colors to be the same as the background, and then the levels 15 and 85. Okay, so actually for the stochastic window, I just need the levels. And then we come and add Ichimoku. So the Ichimoku this time round is a bit changed. So Tikunsen is 9, Kinjunsen is 18, Senkaubi is 36. Okay, and you feel. So Kijunsen is same as background color, same to Chico span background color. So make sure these three are the ones that are showing. So the green one is up, the red one is down, and then the Tikunsen is our moving average 9. Okay, so make sure it is only the filling that is visible, this that is visible, and then the moving average 9. Okay, and you put in the filling. So how do we use this strategy? So the TDI settings, the PDF file is in our forum. Just go into the Telegram channel, go to the file section, and you will get your TDI there. Okay, so how do we use this? Why I wanted to put this filling is that so that it can be able to direct you. Why most of the time you will find a trend can go extreme. On our normal language, you will say when it is at level 15, which is here, is overbought, no, is oversold, and when it is at level 85, is oversold. Yes, on normal circumstances, it is like that. But let me tell you the truth. In the market, there is no overbought or oversold. Understand that from today. There is no overbought or oversold. Those are comfortable terms we use to describe the market. But the truth is there is no overbought nor oversold. Okay, so why I've seen so many other people do the Ichimoku trading, like when it touches level 15 you place a buy, when it touches level 85 you place a sell, but a sale, but that can be a misplaced conception, especially if you go into the market with the notion of there's no overbought and oversold. It could be, this could be reversal points, but it doesn't work 100%. Okay, even for my VIP class, I always tell them, even when we are at these levels, overbought, oversold, still wait and hold for some certain indications like blah, 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 so that you will be able to catch them spikes. It doesn't just occur, okay? It doesn't just occur because we've touched. Like you see here, it touched 3 times. And how would you have known? How would you have known that we are not ready for a reversal or something? And then sometimes again, we may touch like this, we spike up and then come down and continue with the trend. So how are we able to sift those fake signals and fake breakouts? Yeah. So some people would love to, when it touches this level 15, they place a buy, but that is not the right notion. So how do we do? For me, this is how I do it. If on our main chart, the spikes have come and we've crossed the red. So this red cloud is down trend and the green cloud is uptrend. So if the spikes have come and we've crossed the red, okay, as it is coming to retest and it spikes again, then we are ready for an uptrend. Okay, we have crossed the red cloud. So we touch level 85 down. We've crossed the red cloud. As it is coming to retest, anytime it is above here, as long as it's crossed, you are ready now to start catching your spikes. Okay, so from here, just catch your spikes and go up. Same as here. I had to put the filling even for the indicator window. Okay, you see, it touched 3 times. It touched 3 times. The first time, even here, it spiked and went into the cloud and retraced back. So if you are placing your trade immediately after the first spike, it would have retraced on you for some time and it was really long. And while it is retracing on you, you don't know whether it is trend continuation or just going to retest and then come back again. So this second time, the spike comes and above us at that time, we have a green cloud over us here. Okay, above us there is a green cloud, and when the spike came and we had crossed our clouds, when the spike came and we had crossed our clouds, then that is the right time for us there. From this point, that is the right time for us, and we catch spikes all the way. After we've crossed the cloud, there's nothing that will hinder us anymore. Okay, there's nothing that will hinder us anymore, unless if it was on a ranging market. Let's check again. Same as selling. When you want to sell and follow the trend, okay, when you want to sell and follow the trend, you see, like here, after it had really crossed the green cloud and came down, the spikes came, but they were not so big, like it could not take you out of the market. Okay, so from this area coming down, you know you are in a safe environment. Okay, but again, be warned. Be warned. Like in this setup here, check. Let me show you now what I was talking about. Check. It was a trend continuation. Do you see that? It was a trend continuation. So our trend starts from at the top, comes down, touches our level 85, our level 15, I mean. And then, as we've known always, when it touches level 15, buy. But unfortunately for this, it was a trend continuation. Okay, it was a trend continuation. So it spikes a bit, see here, comes and retests. So of course, yeah, even me, I could be had been caught here, but it would not have put me so much in negative, because after it crossed our cloud, there were 2 more spikes like this on top and this other one, yeah. And then I would hold, and how and when should I close so that it doesn't put me in much drawdown. Of course, I would have gotten this spike here, yeah, but again it started going against me. So where do I close? I close immediately it doesn't spike. Okay, I close immediately it doesn't spike and we start crossing the clouds. Yeah, the moment we start touching the clouds and it is not spiking, I cross, because that is to clearly tell me that we are on a trend continuation. We are not going to spike up. Okay, and imagine even if I closed here, come and see the spikes that came did not go above. In fact, This blue line is our 9 moving average, the Kijun-sen. So if you see the spikes that come and are held back by the Kijun-sen, they don't go above it, then know that for sure, we are no longer going up. We are going down. Okay? Know that for sure we are not going up, but we are going down. So any buy opportunity here is a gamble. Don't even try to catch spikes if you see such a setup. Okay, so you could have collected a few pips here, but it was not that very beneficial. It would be not a win, neither a lose either. But anytime you see these small spikes and then it is contained within the moving average 9, know that it is a sell setup. And immediately we closed here. We crossed, then that for sure, it indicated to you now that we are on a trend continuation. Okay, so you are free to buy for some time. So when it is a trend continuation, you don't hold for long. You don't hold for long, okay? But the market still continued going in our favor. Okay, you see, it went for so long. And all this time, it was touching our level 15, but still not reversing to go all the way, still touching our level 15 until now here, when we finally crossed our cloud. When we finally crossed our cloud and went all the way up. So the essence of this cloud is to sift the fake signals for you. The essence of the breakout is to sift the fake signals for you. Okay, so come and see here again. While our Ichimoku is touching level 15 here, because when you scroll it to the front, it will touch level 15, which is oversold. Our Ichimoku is on level 10, which is not extremely stretched. Yeah, so it's a bit relaxed, and then it spikes few, reaches the top of the TDI, and then it starts retracing down. So the moment this first TDI here was used as a resistance, like it didn't break through it, it would have given you some signals that we might not be breaking through it. Okay, and while we are here, check out how our Bollinger Bands for the TDI are behaving. All the spikes are contained within our Bollinger Band, and our Bollinger Band at this time is very wide. Very, very wide. Okay, there is a very big difference between what you're seeing on this end and what you're seeing on this other end here. Yeah, so when your spikes are contained within the TDI or the moving average, the Bollinger Band of the TDI, be a bit careful with that, because it tells you that seems we are not in an up momentum. Let's check when we really check this spike here. What I was saying is, if it doesn't break through, see, it's excuse me, it spikes and goes above. It spikes and goes above our TDI. So that is what I was trying to explain here. When your spikes are contained within the Bollinger Band, be a bit sensitive on that. But here, it spikes and goes above. Okay, so a real breakout will come like this. Okay, so let's continue. When we were ready to reverse, how did our TDI behave? So it was using the lower Bollinger Band as the support now. You see, like here. And our baseline, our market baseline was facing up. So we had started, our TDI was already facing up, and it was using the lower Bollinger Band as our support. So it was coming, reaching down, spiking, going up, reaching market baseline, spiking, just like that, as now we went to the top part of the Bollinger Band. Okay, so those are some small tips that the TDI shows you when we are ready for a reversal or not. Check here again, check here, check here. As long as there is a green cloud under us, then you still know that you are on an uptrend. Okay, so see here, there's a crossover. We touch level 15. There's a red small cloud above us. We break above it, And so it was your opportunity of starting catching spikes from this level going up. Okay, so the essence of these clouds is to avoid you having like fakes. You see, all this is an uptrend until when the crossover here, until when the crossover happens here. So now from this moment you start looking for sell opportunities, and you see consolidation, then continues, then crossover again, we start going up. Okay, so this was now our normal trade that we always know that touches level 15 and 85. Okay, here to here. Okay, so when you start catching spikes, this would have been my exit point, but I would trail my stop loss. But if this second spike continued up, I would maybe placed again, but now it crossed the green to show me that we are going down. And you see, so again, try to see how the cloud is behaving. If the cloud is coming in small bits and pieces, know that you're in a ranging market. Be a bit careful on that. Okay, if the clouds, what I mean is this small clouds here, it's not like on a continuous covering above us. Okay, so it tells you we are on a ranging market. So when you're on a ranging market, it's a bit difficult to be selling boom at that time. Okay, it's much easier to catch spikes, but it is a bit difficult to sell boom at that time. And you see we are ranging, and we are going above the cloud and coming under it, going above and coming under it. You see, until this one that breaks above it again. So here we touch level 85, you break above the cloud, and from there you got your small spikes on top. Yeah, simple, easy, but yeah, you are still in profit. Let's continue. Then again, a retracement. The moment you cross the green cloud, you knew that the trend has changed. Check. Very swift sell, very swift sell. Okay, very swift sell. So here it had touched again level 15 down here. Okay, it spiked, but it didn't go above our cloud. We continued down, it started spiking again. We are touching all this moment at level 15 until when we crossed there, but it retraced again. So here you could have gotten profit of one spike, this spike here, before it started retracing. So as I told you, I'm always taken out of the market, yes, within no time, because I always trail my stop loss. But when it starts going down, I will always watch how it behaves, you see. So this was to tell you that it was just a simple retracement, but we are still going down, you see, still going up. And then now we come to a consolidation area. Okay, so and above here you could have gotten two spikes, this and this, as long as we are above the red cloud. Okay, and then consolidation, more consolidation here. So another tip, this spike, second spike on the same spot, would have told you we are ready to buy. Okay, this would have told you we are ready to buy, and for sure I could have gotten this third spike. I don't need to wait on such incidents for a cloud for us to cross a cloud so that I can buy. But three spikes on the same spot would have shown you that for sure we are going to buy. So I could have bought this even without us crossing the cloud. So I could have gotten all that. And see, from there we started going up officially. See, all the way up until we cross the green again. See, look here, there's something else I mentioned in one of my videos. When you are scrolling, and then all of a sudden, I want you to see something, and then all of a sudden your chart shifts like that. Did you see what happened? See that when your chart shifts, know that it's creating room for the market to go up. Okay? It's creating room for the market to go up. And especially after getting these two spikes on the same area, as much as we are under, but these two spikes on the same area. Yeah? And then the third spike on top. So for me, here they told me I buy, and I buy big time. Let's see what happened. Oh, sorry for that. Sorry for that. Let's see what happened. Boom. Did you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spikes continuously. Yeah, and it continued even more and more and more and more. Okay, so in short, it was telling you that these red clouds were small retracement points. Okay, again, sorry for that. I wanted to touch this. These small red clouds were just small retracements of our continuous uptrend. Okay, so you see, up, up until when we started again consolidating a bit, a small red consolidation, continued again up, 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 consolidation again, up, 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 up. You see, as long as the green cloud is under us, we are still going up until when we come and cross it officially. Now from there. And the moment you cross, if it had been on an uptrend for so long, the moment you cross the green one, just sell like crazy. Sell like crazy, okay? Until at least when this first big spike happens and you see it touching the red one, then you can close. But as long as we've been buying for so long, I could have comfortably gotten these cells, okay? So consolidates a bit, and then small uptrend, of which I know it's a retracement, and then we now enter officially into a ranging market, and then see ranging market, and then up. So here I could have for sure missed this first spike, but the moment it came above the red, you got these others. Okay, see, up again, up again, up again, up again, then we cross over again, consolidation. Okay, so see, sell from here to here. So the moment we started touching, you know, the trend can happen, anything, we can continue down or continue up, ranging market. So such places I don't trade unless I want to catch spikes, and I use the TDI, which is the Bollinger now here, because you see when it reaches the bottom of the TDI, it spikes, reaches the top, it sells. So in a ranging market, I do small trades, but mostly I don't trade. I don't trade scalping. I do spikes only in a ranging market. Okay, see, it ranges for some time and then it breaks again to the top. Buy, we cross the green, sell. Okay, you see, consolidation again, buy, see, consolidation again, buy for all that time. We cross again, we sell, consolidation, we sell some more, then we cross over and a very long buy. You see, so these clouds will make it easier for you. As long as we are above the red, the spikes will come. Like this point, see, our ICHIMOKU was touching level 15. So the moment it spiked and went above the cloud, then for sure we could have gotten all those spikes. Okay, so, and we continue on an uptrend for some time until when we crossed again, we came down. Yeah, consolidation still down. So all this time, check here, here, we are more of touching level 15, but it's not spiking. Check there, we are touching level 15 here. We are touching level 15, but it's not spiking, it consolidates. So this cloud is to help you sift the fake signals. Okay, it's to help you sift. You see it, we had touched level 15, spiking, but not going up. Okay, so all those are fake breakouts. All those are fake breakouts. And this is 500. So I'm using 500 because it's more volatile. What is more volatile on 500 will be even more comfortable on 1000. So this again, I would deduce my TDI, top and bottom. Okay, I would not have done more of the Ichimoku. Okay, on a ranging market, don't use the Ichimoku, but use the TDI. Okay, see, ranging market all through, no clear path until when we crossed again here, went up. So all those you would have gotten, especially considering that at the bottom we had touched level 15 and then we spiked, crossed, and there you caught your spikes. Okay, ranging again, caught above the cloud green, all those are spikes, and then we crossed again. So it's always a game of like zigzag. Unfortunately, the market can play you like you'll never know the exact position where to get them spikes. So only get into the market when you are so sure. See, our Ichimoku will have touched level 15 at the bottom, yet we will continue down again, then the spike, you see. So this Ichimoku will help you to sift the bad signals. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. And see, as long as the red cloud is above us, you are so sure of a long trend. See, okay, until when we cross it again and then the up starts. See, it's always a zigzag. See, it's always a zigzag. See, you see. So as long as you've crossed the cloud, the other side will always be spiking. Okay, so that's it for today, guys, and happy trading. And for those who are in the VIP, I'm always happy to be with you, helping you, and we're glad that we are doing marvelous things. What do we want? Yes, the VIP, our VIP. Oh my God, I have so many Telegram contacts. So many Telegram contacts. I've been having so many messages. Yeah. But I try to keep in touch with my VIP all the moment. I'm looking for my Telegram channel. This is the group chat. Here, see what this lady is doing with the spike detector. Okay, see, and so many others, the testimonials. Okay, see this one spike gave $5. See, okay, you see. So that's it for today, guys. The Spike Hunter, I'm not selling the Spike Hunter, Pipking Spike Hunter independently. It comes with the VIP package, and the VIP package goes for $60. Okay, the VIP package goes for $60, and that's where you will get your Spike Hunter. Many people have been inboxing me asking the same. See, we were using the Spike Hunter for this. Okay, see, Spike Hunter again. Yeah, I'm looking for an image with the spike itself. This one. This is how the Spike Hunter looks. Yeah, this is how the Spike Hunter looks. And So that's it, guys. That's it for today. Happy trading. God bless you. Please subscribe to this channel and join our Telegram channel as well, so that you will be able to access all the premium resources that I keep sharing in our channel. So God bless you. Thank you. Bye.